Okay, so let's continue. As you know, we have completed chapter 2, addition. Time to move on to the next chapter, subtraction. And in this chapter, we will include topics like subtraction using number line, subtraction from one-digit and two-digit numbers, like that. So, without further ado, let's go to our first question. Which number comes in the place of P? So, as you can see, there are some balls here. And imagine the number of balls is P. And P minus 9 equals 1, 3, 13. So, first we have to count the number of balls. And let me tell you a way to count the number of balls if you know the table of 2. It works like this. Instead of crossing out one ball which you are used to, we'll cross out 2 balls at the same time. Like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So, you know that 2 tens are 20, right? But we still have 2 more balls. So, all we have to do is 20 plus 2. So, what is 20 plus 2? Yeah, it's easy. It's 22. Or you can easily count by ones in this one. So, let me cross it. So, there are 22 balls. But we don't right away just tick the option 22 and we are done. Now we have to see if when we subtract it from 9, it gives us 18. Let's see. Let's see. We can't take away 9 from 2 because 2 is smaller. So we'll carry over, which means this 2 will turn into a 1 and we add 10 to this 2, which is 1 to 12. So this 2 turns into 1 to 12. See, 12 minus 9 equals 3. And 1 minus 0, there's nothing, it's just 0, equals 1. So, it's 13. So, we have checked if when we subtracted by 9, it gives us 13. So, now all we have to do is to see which of these 4 options show 22. Does option A show 22? No, it shows 20. Does option B show 22? Yes, option B shows 22. So let me take it. Option C shows 21 and option D shows 24. So this is the end of this question and our answer is option B. Like to move on to our next question. Question 2. 4 ice creams minus 1 ice cream equal. So right here, as you can see, there are some ice creams minus 1 ice cream. But you might be thinking, what does that mean? So just replace the ice creams with numbers. Let me show you how. Count the first ice creams with 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of 4 ice creams, let me write 4. And then and as you know that this ice cream is 1 ice cream, so minus 1. What does 4 minus 1 equal? What is 4 minus 1? Yes, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have to find which of these 4 options show 3. Is option A so 3? No, it shows 5. Is option B so 3? No, it shows 6. Is option C so 3? Yes, option C shows 3. So it is our answer. Let me tick it. And option D shows 2. So this is the end of this question, and our answer is option C. Okay, so let's continue with our next question. Read along with me. What does this number line show? As you can see, there's a number line here. We have to find, it shows something. It shows a math subtraction problem. What does it show? Let me tell you how. In your first subtraction maths lessons, you may have seen figures like this. Let me show you how they work. First, as you can see, from 0 it goes to 8, and then it goes 2 steps backwards. So, as you can see, this number line shows something. So, in short terms, we have to find 8 minus 2. And what is 8 minus 2? Yes, it is 6. So, we have to find which of these 4 equations show 8 minus 2 equals 6. And to tell you that you don't actually have to subtract and find 6. There's a 6 here. No need for subtraction. You already knew that. Didn't you? Let's see what the first option is. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Is that our answer? No. 8 minus 7 equals 1. That's also not what this number line shows. Option C is 8 minus 2 equals 6. Is 8 minus 2 equals 6 what this number line shows over here? Yes! So let me tick it. And option D is 8 plus 6 equals 14, which is not our answer. Let's move on to our next question. 2 tens, 4 ones minus 2 tens, 2 ones. So you might be thinking, there are no numbers, it's just 2 tens, 4 ones, like that. But do you remember when we used the abacus? It's a little bit similar. Let me show you how we do it. First, write the tens place. For the tens place, we write T. And for the ones place, we write O. So, 2 tens. It means 2 in the tens place. So, like 2 in the tens place. And 4 ones means 4's in the ones place. Now, we do the same with this one. 1 tens equals 1 in the tens place. And 2 ones equals 2 in the ones place. And then minus. So as you can see, we have to find 24 minus 12. So let's do it together. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. Our answer is 12. Our answer is 12. So we have to find which of these 4 options show 12. Does option A show 12? Yes, option A shows 12. So let me tick it. Option B shows 14. Option C shows 13. And option D shows 15. So this is the end of this question, and our answer is option A, 12.